Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and my YouTube channel name is All Course Answer. And after watching the video, if this video help you, then subscribe my YouTube channel. And today our video topic is how to generate signed bundle APK in React Native. Now directly go to the project and start the generate signed bundle APK in Android Studio. First of all, open your project in Android Studio, click the file options, and here you open your project, and my project name is all-in-one, and select the Android folder of your project and OK. After open your project in Android Studio, step 1 is build your project. Now go to the make project options and click here, and here you can see Gradle build is running. After Gradle build is finished, you can generate your signed bundle APK, and here the Gradle build is finished. Now go to the build options. Before going to the build options, I can tell you, if Gradle build have any error, solve those error. Now after solving those error, you can generate your signed bundle APK. Now click the build options, and here is one option is showing generate signed bundle APK. Click this option and select the APK. Click the next button, click the create new, and here you give your key store path and select your folder. I am window E folder, and select any one folder, and here you give your file name. My file name is my new projects. Okay, and here you give your password, confirm your password, and here you give your alias name my project and password. Confirm your password, and here you give your first name and last name of your project, organizational unit my project, and organization is my project. Give your organization, select your city, state, and click the OK button. After click open OK button, click the next button, and here you can select V1 jar signature and release options. Finish, and here you can see your Gradle build is running. After Gradle build is finished, here is one option in showing locate. Here you can see here is one option in showing locate. Click the locate button, and this is your build APK file, and here you can change your name, APK file name, and use. And guys, if this video help you, then subscribe my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Thank you.